Hello everyone. So today I will be teaching you how to install Apache on Ubuntu. So I have logged into Ubuntu here and I am going to search for terminal. So it's quite simple. There are very few commands to be executed. First is the command sudo apt update. It asks me for the password, root password. So what this command does is basically it updates the repositories in Ubuntu. Just a step done to make sure that everything is up to date before installing the popular web server Apache. So this is done. Now we execute the command sudo apt install Apache 2. This installs Apache 2. Click Y to continue. Now Apache is installed on your system, but just to check and make sure, we can execute the command sudo systemctl status Apache 2. So if you get this as active, it means that your server is running. So now what I can show you is how to check using your web browser whether Apache is running or not. So you open your web browser and just type in localhost, and you should get this Ubuntu default page of Apache saying it works. And yeah, this will be your page. You can also access this using your IP address. I'm going to minimize this. To find out my IP address, I'm going to type in hostname space -i. So this is my IP address. So 10.0.2.15. I'm going to reopen my web browser and type 10.0.2.15 and it gives me the same page. So this is another way to check it. I'm just going to press clear. Something more to just try out some modifications to the default web page that we see in the web browser. We can do that by executing the following commands. First, we go to the directory cd/var and cd www. Now I will show you at the ls command. So for me, there is another folder here called HTML. For most other people, there might not be a folder like this. So I'm going to do cd HTML. If you have a folder like this, then enter that folder, and when I do ls, I see index.html. For some of you, on doing cd/var/www, you might find this file in that folder. So for me, it's here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type sudo nano index.html. So you can see the code that generates the default page for me. I can change anything in this. So for example, if this is all the CSS part of it, if I change, say it says here Apache 2 Ubuntu default page, I can change that, or it says here it works, so I can make it say something like hi it works, for example. So then Control O, file name to write is the same, so I click on enter. and then exit, Control X. And now I go back to the web browser and type in localhost. So you can see that it has changed from it works to hi it works. So you can change any content here, you can change the styling and all of that. So yeah, that's about it.